In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a post to your Shopify blog using the desktop interface. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just getting started, this guide is designed to help you seamlessly create and manage your blog content through Shopify. By the end, you'll not only be able to write and publish your blog posts, but also customize them to better fit the personality of your brand. First, you have the option to write and create your own blog post. Or you can use Shopify Magic to automatically generate blog titles and post content. Regardless of your choice, your creative process is well supported on this platform. Once you've decided on the approach you prefer, you can either publish your blog post immediately or schedule it for a future date. This flexibility allows you to plan and strategize your content release according to your operational needs. When it comes to creating your blog post, there are several engaging elements you can incorporate to enrich your content. You have the ability to add images, embed links, make tables, and even include videos or other media. The rich text editor gives you the tools to format your content exactly the way you want, adding a layer of professionalism and aesthetic appeal to your posts. However, keep in mind that blog posts are hidden by default and won't be visible on your online store until you actively publish them. This ensures that you have full control over what your audience sees and when they see it. Plus, you can always edit, hide, or delete your blog posts, giving you the flexibility to adapt and refine your content as needed. Now, let's dive into the steps. Starting on your desktop, navigate to the Shopify admin page. From there, you'll want to go to the content section and click on blog posts. You'll see an option to add blog post. Click that to get started. The first thing you'll need is a catchy and informative title for your blog post. Remember, a title is required to save your work, so make sure you have one in place. Once that's done, move on to entering the content of your blog post. After crafting your content, direct your attention to the organization section where you can configure important settings. Choose an author from the drop-down menu to credit the creator of the piece. This could be the store owner or a staff member with admin access. Then, select which blog you want the post to belong to. If existing blogs don't quite fit, you have the option to create a new one directly from the drop-down. Finally, if you'd like to enhance your post presentation, consider displaying an image on the blog's landing page. Easily do this by clicking Add Image in the Image section and uploading your chosen visual content. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring your blogging vision to life on Shopify. Now go ahead and start creating those compelling blog posts that resonate with your audience. Happy blogging!